everyone, I'm Ghost Cuber.
And I'm Little Magic.
So today we're going to do an unboxing and review
Of the Spooky Speedcube.
So this cube is brand new, just came out a while ago, and it's limited time from SpeedCubeShop. So it's actually a Yuxin Fire, which is a retired cube, so that's kind of cool. So yeah, this is the 2018 version, so let's start opening it. So you ready to open it? Okay. Alrighty. Let's see here. These scissors. Okay, so here it is. Pretty nice. It's pretty cool. And then this business card, spooky theme, and then just a order. So, okay, let's open this up. Oh wow, yeah, that's pretty bad. Can't really do much. Yeah, that's pretty bad.
Yeah.
Looks really nice though. Pretty shiny stickers, shiny cube. That's what's cool. All right, don't scramble it up. So yeah,
I really want to see it the window.
that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. So what were your thoughts about the cube right out of the box? What do you think about it?
It was gonna be a little bit smoother, not that bad.
Yeah, I think really not smooth. Although it feels like it could be pretty good. I definitely like the how shiny it is. Looks pretty nice. Hearing a lot of noise from the inside. So now let's just get it loosened up. Just gonna pop off the centers and let's loosen it. It's a lot better. Doesn't really feel very smooth though. It's better? I feel it.
Yeah, it's better and a lot smoother.
Alright, let's loosen it up a little bit more here because it probably as loose as we want to go. Feels like it might pop soon. So yeah, it definitely needs lube. Could be a decent cube after we do this, so we'll check back after that and see how it feels. Tell you how it feels. So yeah, I'm not expecting a lot out of this cube, and I'm not really getting a lot. So I'm feeling. Like how it feels? Think it could be smoother though? Yeah. I think so too. So now I've been loosening it up for a while and getting it to just the perfect amount of loosening, I guess. And so, yeah, it's still not very good. It's gonna need lubed. Definitely gonna need lubed. But, yeah, so I had 2 centers. The screws totally fall out because I loosened it up too much. So, yeah, don't do that. But now, we're gonna test out how well it glows in the dark. So we're gonna start off by charging up. You wanna do it?
Turn on.
Okay, yep, turn it on. Okay, keep pulling it over, and I'm gonna turn the lights off. Okay. Top light. Keep holding over it.
Okay.
Okay, turn the flashlight off. Nice.
Uh-huh. Cool.
Very cool. It is glowing, so pretty cool. That's cool.
I want to
Take
turn
a
it.
look
I
at
want
it
to
in
turn it.
checkers. Yeah, that's.
Can I
pretty
see
cool.
it? I want to see
Yeah.
it in checkers.
I will like that. So, want to use it?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. So we have lubed the cube, and it's much smoother. I would almost say like 100 times better. Lubed it with Martian lube from SpeedCubeShop, so yeah, really good. It can corner cut pretty well. Not the best cube, but pretty good. Ridiculous improvement from where it started out. And we didn't loosen it up any more than we already had it, so yeah, it doesn't really feel like it's gonna pop. So what do you think about it?
Yeah. Pretty good. Like it.
Yeah, pretty good cube. Let's get this set up. What? Where'd it go? Is it down here? Huh. Oh. That's weird. Could have sworn it wasn't there. Alright. What? It's gone again. Mommy,